Welcome to another video of Cloudways series. In this video, I will show you how you can create WooCommerce store using Cloudways. So after login to your Cloudways server, you need to click the application, then create new application. To add application, select the server. So we have the test server here, add application. Then here you need to choose the WooCommerce, put the name. So I put the name my store, add application. So the application is generating. It will take up to 2 minutes to create the application. The application my store has been created. Click the application and the my store, then you will get the access information. This is the link of the store. Click the link to open, and this is the login information. So this is the website. You see there is card option, checkout option, and shop option available on the site. To log into the backend of this website, you need to click admin after the link, then copy the username, copy the password, and login. So this is the dashboard. The WooCommerce plugin already installed and the website is running. Here you can change the theme, you can add product, add categories, and add plugin to make this website running. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel.